Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect to a MySQL database using Visual Studio Code and an extension called MySQL Management Tool. Before we start, please do like this video and subscribe my channel. So let's get started. So to follow along, you need a MySQL server installed. I will leave a link in the description on how to install MySQL server, so do check it out. First thing first, we'll click on extension and type MySQL. So click on this MySQL, the first extension, and click on install. So here it's been installed. We'll click on Explorer, scroll down, see we have MySQL here. I'll click on plus. So here the host is localhost. We input the host name, localhost, and click enter. The user is root, which is the default root user. So the password, I will copy the password from here. Control copy, Control C the copy. So just paste the password, enter. So the port there, that's the port 3306, enter, click enter again, enter. So if you check here, you see we have this, a connection has been created. If I click here, we have this error. Client does not support authentication protocol requested by server. This error occurs because the default MySQL user uses a new method of authentication that is not supported by our MySQL client. So to resolve this issue, we need to create a new MySQL user that supports that uses the old authentication method. So to do that, we need to locate a directory where we installed our MySQL server is installed. I will click on Explorer, go to here, so program files. So go to MySQL, enter MySQL server, enter the bin folder. Then here we type cmd to type open command prompt. So we need to log into our database. So click here, let me just copy this command, copy and paste here. So here we input the password, use the password for that user, default user, paste, enter. So here we are logged in. To create the user now, let's type this command. Type this command here, copy, paste. Excuse me, command is not pasting. Copy this command, paste it here. So create user, the username is test user, that uses the old authentication method, and the password is test password. So I'll click enter. Okay, next we type the next command to grant it access, to grant it privileges. I'll just copy it and paste here. So granted, they will type this next command so that everything takes effect. So I'll just type this command and press enter. So everything is done. Next we just exit, enter, exit again, enter. And now that that is done, we'll go back here, Visual Studio Code, we right click here and we'll delete this connection. Next we need to create a new connection. Now click connection, the host is localhost, enter. MySQL user is test user, if I'm not mistaken, test user. Let me verify. Yeah, test user, enter. So the password, test password, that's the password, paste the password, paste, enter. The port is the same, enter. So you see you have the connection here. If I click here now, you see you have all our databases here. So to run an SQL command, like, okay, let's create a database now. Just right click here, create a new query. I'll go here, type copy this command to create a copy here, copy, just paste. So basically we'll create a database called SchoolDB. Next we'll create a table in the SchoolDB database called school table, which is going to have two columns, ID and name, and the ID is going to be auto incremented with a primary key. So to run the command, we'll just right click and click on run MySQL query. So you can see it's run, and you can see here we have the result here. or better still, we can right click here and refresh. You see we have our database. This is it here. If we click here, you see our table. This is our table. At the moment the table here, IDE, at the moment the table is empty, so let's fill it up with information. I'll just copy this command, SQL command here, copy, paste. So here we have it. It's insert into the table, school table, ID name. So since the ID is auto incremented, there's no need for the ID column. We'll remove it out. So yeah, this one is auto incremented. We don't need the value 1. It will be added automatically. 2, remove 2, and 3 2. Remove the, just right click and take and run SQL command. So let's refresh. Go back and refresh. So yeah, if let me, where's the data? Okay, there's it here. Refresh. So if I click here now and take and select this on the table, I click this. Excuse me. Let me expand this. Then I right click, I say run SQL. So you can see it displays the data in the table. So this brings us to the end of this video. Please do not forget to like this video and subscribe my channel. I will see you in my next video. Thank you.